one spring morning. The weather is bright and sunny. Seeing the nice day outside, Jingyi decides to take a walk in the park. In the park, she is enjoying her walk when her long-troubled allergic rhinitis suddenly flares up. Even slight irritation makes her sneeze non-stop, with a runny nose that won't stop. At night, severe nasal congestion makes it hard to breathe and fall asleep. In traditional Chinese medicine, allergies are believed to be caused by weak vital energy. The 黄帝内经 says, the lungs open into the nose, so rhinitis is mainly related to the lungs. How can allergic rhinitis be treated? 1. Eat more foods that moisten the lungs and clear the nasal passages, such as lily bulb, magnolia flower, and Chinese yam. 2. Acupuncture. Visit a licensed TCM clinic to use acupuncture to balance the organs and qi, helping to open the nasal passages.